So Indian infrastructure is actually going through a big transformation now. A lot of money is being spent, around 10 lakh to 12 lakh crore per year, if not more, are being spent. Out of the entire 20 lakh crore in the NIP every year, 10 lakh crore into all the sectors you mentioned there. However, in road sector, there are very high competition. So L&T would like to be in those segments where they are large in nature and they actually require specific competencies, complexities where there are only going to be few players where L&T can really do a good job. But some areas where there are a lot of competitors, L&T would like to step back and concentrate on the areas where there are more complexities, mega in nature, and we can really use safety, quality, delivery, all these areas we can do maximum, value add to make sure the client gets a world-class infrastructure. Okay, like say something like a mega expressway project like Mumbai-Nagpur Expressway, Delhi-Agra Expressway, Dwarka Expressway, where L&T has done big jobs. In terms of bridges, we have done several, we're doing several bridges like Trans-Harbour Link, like say also Coastal Road, Mumbai Metro, Navi Mumbai Airport. These are all very, very important infrastructure projects, very highly complex in nature, and country depends upon the success of this very much. So L&T is working very consciously and very hard in terms of sustainability. Like say we try to reduce wastage. That means what are disposable things, minimize them because that actually jeopardizes the environmental, matters. We try to reuse existing things into the construction areas. We try to, wherever we are using DG, we try to make it absolutely, covered so that we have no bad emissions. We also try to use electric power or fossil fuel wherever is there. And we also try to use something which is sustainable in nature in terms of using rubbles to turn it to actually process and do construct new things like Navi Mumbai Airport. We had large pavement to be dismantled. We broke it and then we actually used it for new pavement construction. So actually we are trying to make sure that the construction debris or wastage is reduced. We use more actually less fuel emitting, greenhouse emitting systems to be in the projects, and also we give a sustainable infrastructure. See, L&T at some point of time, like from 2013 to 2019, there's a boom in the Middle East. There were a lot of projects coming up. Oman was having several road projects. UAE was building the Abu Dhabi airport. There were actually Expo on Dubai. They had a lot of roads projects. We had the Riyadh Metro. We had Doha Metro. All these are mega. Salalah Airport. These are mega projects. So L&T was in the right time, in the right place, and we could capture substantial portion of those jobs. We have done that. But about post the actually oil crisis, the government investment in infrastructure reduced. So we obviously changed our our direction from looking to Gulf to back to India because India was under a big infrastructure boom. So we are now in both the places trying to do whatever best comes up in there, we will do. Like in Neom City now, in Riyadh, in next Saudi Arabia is a big thing. So we are already there. We're doing mega solar project. We're trying to bid for some mega infrastructure projects in Neom. So wherever there are good jobs, we'll be there. So in GCC countries like international, any other countries, we have to be very clear about the contractual things. what is permissible or not permissible. We must have a very strong legal department to make sure that every entertainment is well thought. We also have to understand the quality norms of those places. The acceptance levels are very high than India. We have to have outstanding quality job. The initial learning time we had a little bit of problem, but when we actually built some world-class infrastructure there, L&T today is a very reliable name in infrastructure, and we are getting qualified without any local actually participation, straight as L&T International. We are doing some mega projects there still now in terms of the infrastructure. Well, digitalization is a very important thing. L&T has transformed into a completely connected. All plant and equipment are connected. We are able to actually measure the real-time progress in any site at any point of time through drone and through digital connectivity. We also have a process by which we are able to go and see the areas through cameras, which are otherwise not possible except for the fact to go there physically and see. Inspection, quality control, progress monitoring, also the design as per the site conditions, the entire site contour mapping, reconciliation of the wastages. All these are very fast using digital, and this is giving us definitely an added advantage. So I have found out over the period of time after association with First Construct and also FICCI, CII, ASSOCHAM, in all of them I am a member in some capacity or other. If we are able to properly articulate our issues and place it to these forums, they work on this to actually advise the government in policy changes, and that is a very, very good advantage we get out of these forums. They create a opinion, they collect the opinions, create this thing, and they actually go to the government to advocate about the policy changes. So we talked about the bank guarantees that were very precariously being kept in the hand of clients, and we were under the threat that anything and everything they will actually threaten us to encash our bank guarantees. So we have been working on that, and today we have actually installed a procedure of bank guarantee. For bank guarantee encashment, there has to be a procedure of cooling period, a time for the contractors to come back. At the same time, for fast-track dispute resolutions, also arbitration hours, there has to be, you can get the money by putting bank guarantees. All these are big advantages we have got through all this kind of raising into the right forum. So I must tell you that at this point of time, India-UAE, the bilateral relationship is outstanding. This is a very high and lot of confidence is generated, and I can see the effect of this whenever I go and meet somebody in the UAE or in the GCC countries. Definitely very ambitious project. Definitely for any ambitious project, L&T will be one of the parties definitely qualified. Whether it is high-speed rail, DFCC, or it is Trans-Harbour Link, some mega projects, L&T becomes one of the major contenders. It's all about properly putting up a price and getting it in a very fair process. L&T will try to do that, and we will definitely leave our mark of excellence in the international forum also. So high-speed rail is under progress now, and now even Bandra, I saw a day before yesterday, the station, 32-meter deep station, is going to the terminal will be there. I must tell you, Mumbai has gone through a lot of problems for last maybe 7-8 years. Because at a time there are several mega projects, Trans-Urban Link, Mumbai Metro, then your Thane Creek Bridge, Navi Mumbai Airport, Mumbai Nagpur Expressway, so and then Coastal Road. All these were running concurrently, and further also they have announced something in the Guregaon side, some kind of a further elevated corridor. These all will transform Mumbai into a world-class city, and rightfully Mumbai deserves that also, being a economic capital. Apart from this, going forward, I am sure further projects will come up, but mainly into connectivity. High-speed rail, the last link, which is balance under the sea, something will be coming and going to the stations. All these will take a bit of time, but Mumbai is going to come out of all these things and to have a world-class infrastructure for sure.